Yost, congratulations. That is very well done because you, I think for the first time, you got first, right? I have to say, that's very impressive. Very, very impressive. I'm currently watching UK Mad finish off his stream. We're probably going to get raided. So we'll just wait a few minutes for people to arrive anyway. I wanted to ask about music volume. Yeah, I think Steffi is occupied. I think Steffi is busy guessing words. If I had to guess what she's doing. I wanted to ask about video. I wanted to ask about music volume. Because I was watching... Steffi heard us. Yost, shh, don't say anything. She heard us. She's listening. She's always there. I want to ask about music volume because I feel like the music is probably very quiet. And I don't know what happened. Something happened. So like I can put, because I can see like my volume in Pretzel hasn't, in Pretzel Rocks hasn't changed. Still at 15%. But the OBS source is showing me, oh, I didn't even notice there was music. Yikes. Okay. Then give me a second. I have to change audio stuff while on stream because something messed up. Then if you can't hear the music, that is not a good sign. That is not a good sign. That's the master. Yeah, I don't see any music showing, which is what... But that should capture everything. Now you did. Hold on one second. But it's very quiet, I'm guessing. Probably. I won't talk for a sec. I'll just let it play so you can see what volume it is. I'm guessing that's really quiet though. Would be my assumption. I've added gain, but that doesn't seem to be... Doesn't seem to be doing what I want it to do. So I've basically, now I've put it like on maximum, if that makes sense. This is very frustrating because I didn't actually change anything, so... Let's check if this is still working. No. That broke. Great. Now I broke everything. Awesome. Now I don't hear the music anymore. But you probably do. That is very frustrating. So I hear my music again. Okay, so... Well... The music is there. I guess there's not much I can do about this. Is there? I mean, if I put it louder, then it's very loud for me. "22 minutes till words." Come on, Steve. You should know better than that. Guess who was first today, by the way? Yoast. Yoast was first today. Where's the ice cream? Where's the ice cream, Yoast? Do you have ice cream? I don't care about season. I literally do not care about season. What I'm most concerned about the audio is the volume of alert. Let's test one of them.
Garbage.
Okay, that seemed alright. That seemed like a decent volume amount. I don't know exactly. Updating my LinkedIn. Are you gonna put on LinkedIn that you were first in my? That's actually a great LinkedIn bio. Definitely, great LinkedIn bio. Yeah, I could say I was surprised, but I'm not. What happened here? What's this? UK Mad LZ is raiding with a party of 8. Aha. So... oh, that's why my view count went up. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. Interesting. I can't do this. I honestly can't do this. Welcome in! Welcome in, everybody. Thank you for the raid, UK or Mike. Thank you very much. Most appreciated. Welcome everybody to yet another Friday evening Twitch stream. I cannot I cannot just not thank someone for a raid. It just seems, you know, it just seems wrong, you know? And no, we're not going words on stream. Good thing that I put it behind a channel point redemption. So I can reject your ideas, chat. That's literally the reason. It's, yeah, I unfortunately had this experience a few days ago. I suggested to raid someone and it was a very poor choice and I regretted it. I suggested to a streamer to raid someone else who I was watching for 2 or 3 minutes beforehand to check if it was a possible raid candidate, and it didn't go very well. Chat, there's a few things I want to do. First thing is, I am going to sound better. The reason I'm going to sound better is because I was playing a little bit with my microphone and with some filters, and I'm going to activate something now. I just activated Ian's fart, and I have no idea how you timed that, Ian. I don't know how you do that. I don't know how you time it like that. I just activated Ian's fart. It's just, somebody please clip that. I think that was amazing timing. Even I could recognize the timing on that one. Now, I've been playing around with filters for a bit, and I discovered that there's this great VST plugin called QRange. Check this out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I've now activated the plugins, so I should sound a little bit different, but still high quality. I may even sound a little bit louder. Dex. Instant you. Instant you. Worse, less quality. Really? Do I have to turn on monitoring? I hear no auto-tune. Yeah, there's no auto-tune. There's no auto-tune. Really? Worse, Dex. Really? Do I have to listen to myself now? Sound is my life. Oh. I wouldn't lie to you. Not so sure. Let me just monitor only. One second. Tie condenser. This is what I sound like now. Trust the radio DJ. Not even for a game of words. Not even for a game of words. I don't know. I'm kind of partial to it. Maybe we just have to let it sit for a bit. Nikki Tonsky, the person we rated after... Ah, yeah. Go one more time blind. Okay, I won't tell you if it's on or off. How about that? I'll just keep toggling it in on or off. And I'll tell you whether it's on or off when I decide to stop talking, and then at that point when I stop talking, you can tell me if the filter is on or off. How about now? Is the filter on or off? Let me comment before you change it. It's on. Yes, it's on. It is on. Much on. It has a bit more depth. What's with this timer? 15 minutes. Why is it like 9:30? Why is that like a thing? Why is there like a timer? I don't understand why there's a timer. I sound thin. With the filter off, I sound fuller, deeper, nicer. Okay, I will take it off. Dex, I trust you if you work in sound. But I spent like an hour listening to this and it's like, 15 minutes to words on stream. I don't get, why is there a countdown? Where did the countdown come from? I work on radio, so I know what I like. Okay. But it is very much a preference thing as well, probably. To some extent. Ninibi, thank you very much for the 6 bits. Stückchen. Diese Stückchen. Thank you very much. Monitoring yourself is very hard. So what I did is I made an audio recording and then I looped it in OBS. I played it on loop and adjusted on the loop. But I will keep fiddling with it. On sounds thin, artificial, slightly metallic. Interesting. Dex, we will have to do a Discord call one day if you really know how to tune voices, because I'm not very good at it, obviously. I just spent an hour fiddling with it. I will gladly take you up on this, because I would like to improve it. I know that you say it already sounds very good, but I'm not happy with it. Yeah, it's just an EQ. Sounds like a cheap mic. It is a $70 microphone, to be fair. To be fair. No. There's no burn. There's no burn. There's no sick burn. So apparently, you see, on Mac you need VST because you have nothing. That's the problem. I'm on a Mac. No with the filter on, much better off. It's off currently, by the way. Just FYI. In case you're wondering. So, I sound warm and inviting. Deeper voice. Interesting. Really? I thought it sounded deeper with the... Can I put the filter really high pitched? Yeah, I can. I have a different one for that. for like squirrel stuff. But if I open it, sometimes it crashes OBS, so I kind of don't want to do it. Like chipmunks. Exactly. Exactly. So apparently, UK, you made them promise not to ask me for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. The first 30 minutes I should have to myself. That's very kind of you. But I control my stream. I am the captain of this stream. I make decisions. You all think you're in control, but you're not. You're not. Only 11 minutes to go. Yes, 11 minutes to go until what? Bunny suit with tiny hands, chipmunk mic, and background lights. That sounds monstrous. Many people have 5,000 points. Oh, yeah. Word addicts. Worse than meth addicts. Yeah, probably. Probably. I think I messed something up though with this. See, I was trying this earlier and it still doesn't work. I was trying to do this, the light stuff earlier, and I don't know what happened. It broke. Am I a words addict? What's the first step of addiction? Denial, right? So if I deny it, then I'm basically admitting that I'm an addict. I think. I don't know. Also, the music just disappeared completely, didn't it? What about now? Now it should be back again. Oh, this audio stuff on Mac is so annoying. I think I will get... I will probably get... I will probably be forced to buy this loop back. Do you stream for yourself or viewers? Give the viewers what they want. Are you running OBS Studio or Slobs? Ah! As if I would touch Slobs with a 10-foot pole. Ugh. I think I will be buying Loopback because honestly, this whole audio level stuff is super annoying. I'm routing everything through one thing, through one desktop audio. I thought you had a brain. I would not touch Streamlabs stuff even before the whole drama. I wasn't touching their stuff. I was on Streamlabs and I immediately, after like I think 2 weeks, I went immediately to Stream Elements because I read so much crap about them. I was like, no, I'm not doing this. So listen, chat, I have something to share with you. How about we do like this? I can make a deal with all of you, okay? Someone can redeem words, and we'll do a round of words before we go to Advent of Code, okay? But before that, I'd like to talk about something which is statistics related and Squid Game related. How about that? Does that sound like a deal? Rode Connect. That would mean I'd need to buy a new microphone, UK, and that's not happening. I'm on startup budget. I'm not buying anything right now. Zero expenditure. My salary just got cut in half as of 2 weeks from now. Squid Game is meh poop. Well, it's not about the show itself. What's the percentage Maddie plays words on stream the entire stream? It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. I don't want to play words on stream the entire stream because it's not as fun for the streamer as it is for the viewers, and I know that. that's what Panther said. So look, I'll show you something, chat. Okay, I already have everything ready to go. Everything is ready. We can make you can redeem stuff. You can redeem stuff like the redemption, but it stays pending. It doesn't actually get like put through automatically. I can still reject them. You understand that, right? I have the power. I want to show you all something. By the way, if someone here has seen Squid Game, Please do not spoil it for anyone else. If you have not seen it, I am not spoiling it for you. I'm showing something that is completely out of context, so you won't understand it. Ice cream update, Ben & Jerry mint chocolate chip. Oh, mint chocolate chip is my favorite flavor. Okay, I want to show all of you something. And I want to tell you a story. Okay? There's a scene in this show where people need to vote. Okay? I want to explain why this frustrated me. I was watching this with my girlfriend, with my partner, and when this scene came up, I paused and I said to my partner, I cannot believe that they are letting people see the score while voting. And I need you to understand something, okay? In statistics, there's a concept called peaking, okay? Peaking is when you conduct a survey and you let participants of the survey or the person doing the analysis see the results as the survey happens, which can influence the result of the survey itself. And letting people see how other people vote and then showing them the score, even in this case, showing them the actual tally, is the worst possible example of surveys I have ever seen in a TV show. Maybe there are other examples, but I have never seen one so blatant. Now you can argue that this was the point. You can argue that this is what they wanted to happen. The end result is, irrelevant for now. But I'm telling you that this really annoyed me. It was very hard for me. It was very hard for me to watch this scene from an analyst perspective, because I said, this is like, this triggered me so hard, because I can't even believe that they would let people influence the result of the survey if they wanted a statistically unbiased survey, right? But maybe they didn't want a statistically unbiased survey for reasons. Okay, fine. That being said, yeah. So that I had to share this with you because it annoyed me. So yeah. As for the suggestion about doing a vote, a words on stream. I don't want the whole stream to be words on stream. It's very, I can let you all play it. I can leave at the end of stream and just leave it on. I can just leave it on for you in auto, and it'll just, it'll just run on its own forever. You can place words on stream the whole night, and tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'll come back and see how much fun all of you had. How about that? Ryan, did I tell you I'm building a data analyst startup? No. What? You've completely neglected to mention this. How did you not mention this until now? I mean, yeah, my startup's in a completely different direction. If you don't want to do words on stream, then don't. Did it once and never got anything done. I don't think you're an idiot, Ryan. So, what I do want to do is Advent of Code. It doesn't exclude words on stream. By the way, is the music there? Like, people can hear the music, right? I guess. Right? It's terrifying. Okay. It's an acceptable volume for music during a stream, I guess. I really need to sort that out because it really annoys me. Ryan, what's your startup about? I mean, data analysis could be pretty much anything in theory. So Advent of Code. This is the whole theme this year, seems to be a submarine thing. So yeah, I need to continue with this whole submarine thing. The way that I've been doing it is I've actually been making branches in Git and then doing pull requests, and I'm not doing that anymore because I don't have time or patience. Analyzing how many streamers get persuaded into playing off stream. 100%. Ryan says it's a tool for data analysts to use. The idea behind it is rather large. Oh, that sounds interesting. Tools are always very interesting. I always say that people and processes are always more important than tools. Hey, cool. Thank you very much for the follow. Apparently, you have not failed. You've only just found 10,000 ways that don't work. The answer is all of them. Gold star. All right, so day 3. So as you can see, we are 14 days behind. Or 15, depending how you want to count. Which certainly bothers me. Like, my OCD has definitely been triggered. But let's face it, I'm not gonna catch up. I'm definitely not gonna catch up. Ryan, it's hopefully going to streamline a lot of things. The current tools are quite time consuming in doing and setting up. Is this like from a ETL streaming and analyst workflow perspective, or is this purely like one type of tool in the entire stack? So you can unfollow if you like, but I know you're gonna follow again to get. Hey, cool. Hi, I needed to verify my number to chat here. Yes. Unfortunately, Twitch battles with a lot of fake-ish accounts, so I've implemented that as a security mechanism. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for. So yes, here's the thing. So. Advent of code. What I'm gonna actually just do is I'm actually just gonna copy these and just make push to master because I don't want to make separate pull requests. So first we have to get the data for day 3, I think. So day 3, binary diagnostic. So again, this is like the submarine thing where day 1 and 2 we were doing like stuff with like measurement of like commands and stuff. So we'll probably have to import some data again. Let's see what this is. The diagnostic report, which is my puzzle input, is a list of binary numbers. Oh yeah, I remember we looked at this on Monday and I thought this is a really interesting case. Okay. The first parameter to check is the power consumption. You need to use the binary numbers in the diagnostic report to generate 2 binary numbers. Gamma rate and epsilon rate. The power consumption can then be found by multiplying the gamma by the epsilon. Each bit in the gamma rate can be determined by finding the most common bit in the corresponding position? Oh my gosh. This is going to be very interesting. Oh dear. I wonder how to do this. Okay. Considering only the first bit of each number, there are 5 zeros and 7 ones. Since the most common bit is 1, the first bit of the gamma rate is 1. This most common second bit of the numbers in the diagnostic report is 0, so the second bit of the gamma is 0. Third, fourth, and fifth are 1, 1, and 0. So the gamma rate is the binary number 10110 or 22 in decimal. I think we need to get the master of persuasion in here. Well, Heiko, I'm glad that you were able to join the stream. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Welcome to the community. A lot of people here are from our Discord, the Claw, which is also our stream team, led by none other than White Panther. partner streamer on Twitch, the only partner streamer of all of us actually. We're just all crab bucketing our way on Salma, on White Panther. It's such a giant crab bucket. Twitch is a giant crab bucket. Okay, so the epsilon rate is calculated in a similar way. Rather than use the most common bit, the least common bit from each position is used. Okay, use the binary numbers in your diagnostic report to calculate the gamma rate and epsilon rate, then multiply them together. Ooh, good idea. Let's drop. The objective of the drop game is to write !drop and optionally an emote of your choice. And then you are trying to hit the highest score possible in this little drop area. There is a small prize to be had for 100. Ooh, Lurky Dev. And it cannot be hit by proxy. I should probably mention that. Did you just drop your pants, Jay Walter? I really hope you're wearing pants for this stream. Ryan. Oh, okay. Long story short, imagine you upload a few files containing schemas and 100 rows from the tables you want to analyze. Then the tool uses an algorithm you will be building to find connections between the tables and rows, which it thinks an analyst would likely to want to see graphically, and generate these. It will also have a lot of functionality with having favorites and the ability to make connections manually and generate graphs and diagrams that way. That sounds extremely complicated and also fascinating. There are things out there that are currently, but they require a live connection to the database, which you don't want, or are really, really time consuming, and I want it to be as near to automatic as possible. Okay. Well, if you ever need beta testers or people to do user research with, just hit me up. I'm happy to try out something new. I can't really give you like a company environment to do it in, seeing as I won't be working for anyone. But yeah, you can always reach out to me on Discord, definitely. So this is interesting. They want us to use most frequent things of the column. So of like, not of the row, not of each row individually, but the column. The first bit. Okay, well, let's get the input. You already got a name and you slabbed a three-letter domain. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Three-letter domains are definitely good. Is it a .com domain? Because that's... three-letter .com is rare. Definitely rare. Day3.csv. Ass.com. Everybody's always riding on ass.com. That's hilarious. Just because Panther mentioned it once, I think that's funny. Alright, let's import this. Oh, ATA. The .com is owned by a company, but they rebranded. ATA.io. That's a good name, Ryan. That's a solid name. For sure. That is a solid name. Alright, we're gonna call this... what did they call this? Binary numbers. Let's call this binary num. Import. £50. Yeah, that's a pretty decent price. I have one 3-letter domain and a 5-letter that belong to it. So the 3-letter is .me and the 5-letter is the .com variant. It's, you know, like a play on words. And well, I advertised it a bit. We'll see if someone picks it up. The info for £3. Yeah, info's not that popular. Definitely not. All right, so All right, so day 3, there it is. See? Oops. So we have, come on. Day 3 in our stage, whatever, just before I forget to do that. So this is what the full data set looks like. Oh, and they're different lengths. How do you deal with different lengths? You need to use the binary numbers in the diagnostic report. This is very frustrating. Most common bit in the corresponding position of all numbers in the diagnostic report. Okay, so we need to sort them by length. We need to sort them by length first. We definitely need to sort by length. Day 3. Where's the SQL file? Advent of code. Day 3 SQL. Yeah, okay. Fine. I am trying to connect to my Postgres default session. Schema, Postgres, Advent of code. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, I understand the exercise, but this is very tricky. Ryan says, but yeah, this is for my dissertation project, so I have to build it for uni, but I own all the rights to it, so I can continue it after uni. Ah, I see. Oh, I see. It's part of your uni project. So you're insulated if it fails. If my startup fails, I'm not insulated. I have to go back to work. I won't have a choice. I won't have a choice in the matter. So, okay. This is good. I need more space here. That's why I'm doing this. What is the power consumption of the submarine? That's the question. What is the power consumption? First, we have to do the obligatory day 3, and we need to group them by length. You also work full time. Wow, Ryan, you've got a lot going on. I've also been working full time until now, and we decided to go for investment and quit our jobs and go full time. And that's yeah, that's gonna take a while to build on your own. Wow. That is very impressive, Ryan. That is very impressive. All right, so if I sort by length, bit string, what did I call it? Bit something? Bit number. What did I call this thing? Binary number. Wow, something is wrong with my typing. Binary num. Let's do the checks. Distinct length, and then count rows, count star as CO1, group by 1, order by 2 descending. Length numeric does not exist. Oops. I want to make this varchar then. You say impressive, I don't have a workable demo yet. Well, I guess we'll find out. Where is this thing? Oh, this is the terminal. Let's get rid of that. And here we go. That's very small. There we go. Can everyone read this? Let's get rid of the database. We don't need that either. Okay, so we have... Interesting. so we have length of 3, 4, and 5. There's some. That'll be easy, because we have to analyze those individually. But I don't understand something. If a string is only 3, the first position will still account for all of the other ones. I need to split them into columns. I think that's the only way to do it. I need to split them into columns and then evaluate each column. String split. Date part, string part. What's it called? What's the function, people? Split part. It just came to me. Split part. We used this the other day, didn't we? But we have nothing to split them on. Oh, Coding Garden fan, hello. Welcome in. Oh dear. We have nothing to split them on. What happens if we do that? So if we do select binary num, split part binary num, limit, I don't know, limit 10. Numeric does not exist. Yeah, because it's a numeric. I probably shouldn't have imported it. Split this string on nothing. And give me the first one. Oh, come on. Yeah, there's nothing in between. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I think we need... There's a function. There's a function called regex to table. Can you regex split in SQL? Because you can use string split. Does string split not support regex? String split regex. How are you doing today, Coding Garden fan? I want to split a column. Oh, it's, yeah. Regex substring. That's the one. That's the one I want. Yeah. So we do similar to substring. There we go. Substring. This will be interesting. Substring. What's the syntax here? Substring function with 3 parameters. String from pattern for escape character. Let's test this out. Binary num from what should the regex be? It's going to be a single character from 0 to 9, which repeats itself exclusively one time.
Put my faith in data, information. Ones and zeros never.
Or, and then there's no escape character. Oh, hold on a second. This is the wrong function? Let's take the 4 out. String from pattern. Ah, it's a binary. We have to convert it. We have to cast it. Ha ha ha! There we go, chat. So it extracts the first match. Now we have to figure out how it gets each one individually into separate groups. Oh, regex split. I know there's a different way. There is a different function. Is it regex split to table? Hold on a second. Oh, I know it's a Postgres function. Ah, yes, this one. Yes, this one. Regex split to array. Or regex split to table. Okay, well. Regex split to array. If we do binary num, I wonder how someone would solve this outside of SQL. Does not exist. Ah, it's this frickin'. Oh yeah, great. Okay. What is this? Why is this not working? How odd. I've never seen this syntax before in my life. Regex split to array. But hold on, why is this not... I feel like there's something weird going on here. E is to tell Postgres that you're using extended escaping. What if I don't want to use escaping? So this went from easy to what, basically? Regex split to array. String, pattern, and flags. Oh, so you do need the E. Okay. Why is it giving me this? Let's group it. This makes no sense. Same regex as before, people. It's not extracting the actual values. That is so odd. This makes no sense to me. I've used this before. Wait, why is it... Oh, do we even need a regex? Oh. We could already... I have a weird idea, and no one's gonna like it, but it works. So there's a function called btrim, and basically allows you to trim things off of strings. Yeah, see, so basically I could take like this. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do, and it's so ugly. Okay, so with data frame. Ooh, J. Walter, there's no command for that, unfortunately. There is a redemption, a channel point redemption.
Garbage.
Let me see if this is correct. So I have a data frame. What I'm going to do, and this is very messy, split each value into a separate column. I'm going to take the binary num, and I'm going to string split. No, we did this before. What was it? Yes, throw paper ball. That's fine. String split? No. String split? No. What was string split, chat? I forget. Split part. Thank you. I somehow just keep remembering it when I go to Google it. Split part, not spit part. Hold on. From data frame. Chat, what I'm going to do is the most dirtiest way to do this, but I don't know of a better way right now. So it's gonna go... Jeez, this is so loud for me. So split part. I want to split the CSV split by comma, and I want to return the first value. Oh dear. So what I'm going to do is do this. Yep, I'm going to do like this. Rather than extract it to table, I'm going to do it this way. I think this is the best way because I need to analyze them in columns, not in rows. I mistakenly assumed last time on Monday that I would have to look in each value of each row, but it's by column. And because they're different lengths, that's the problem. So we want 3 up to 12. Obviously this wouldn't work if we had strings that are like 200 characters, but this is a solid approach for a case where you only have to go up to 12. I don't think it's a particular problem. So if I go 7, I'll show you what it looks like. Basically you've got like this, because these are all at least 7. Let's do more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Honestly, this is a bit silly, but I don't know a better way to do it. I'm curious to go look at, what's that dude's name? Oh, you see here? Okay. So you see here, some of them are empty. I need to coalesce them to null so that I don't run into any kind of issue. Coalesce this to null. Hold on. I can just coalesce without the split. In theory. Oh, you know what? I can do these for all the rows at the same time. If I highlight all of them and then do... What do I want to do? Oh no, do like this, yeah. Oh, what did I just open? Safari? How did I open Safari? Okay, that's more tricky. Hold on. Almost. Except the last one. It's only because it's slightly differently formatted. Again, Safari. Why can't you just leave? What was that? Oh, there must be a keybind that's only on Safari. You know that you can delete the character right of the cursor by pressing Fn and backspace. No? I didn't know that one. Okay, so I'm gonna do here. Oh! Null. And then this one, manually. I can live with that. Why doesn't that work, though? Because it doesn't... Oh, because it's splitting it. It has to be a case when. All that work for nothing. It won't matter though, because we're just looking for occurrences, so it's probably not a big deal. Okay. So only the first bit of each number. There are 5 0 bits and 7 1 bits. Fn backspace. So if you do... Ah. Hey, that's cool. I didn't know about that. Thanks, Steffi. I appreciate it. If any of you have cool tips like that, don't hesitate to put them in chat. Really. I'm always grateful. Always grateful. So we have a I don't know, we'll call this columns, or call it sep columns. So this is now our second little CTE. Okay, so now we have everything in separate columns. What I would do is say binary number. Oh, we don't need that anymore. I want to basically take the most common occurrence of each column. Ooh, I should have thought this through. It's only 1 or 0. So case when 1. No, how am I gonna do this? I have to count when 1 and count when 0 from each column. So if I do column 1 and then I do count when it's 0, case when, you know what I can do? I can do 0 as 0. That's a column though. Oh my gosh. This got very complicated very quickly, chat. Oh dear. I think I need to do something like case when call1 equals 0, then count call1, else wait a second. We can figure out which one occurs more often. I think there is... Ugh, subquery. Terrible suggestions, sorry. So this is the 0 count. And then we do a 1 count. Oh, we have to do... And then we do here a count on here. This is terrifyingly complicated in SQL. I don't know if there's an easier way to do this in another programming language. Oh, because it's an integer. I should cast them all. Then I won't have this issue. Ah. Now these have to be a string, obviously. Okay. So we combine the case when conditions together. But only... So case when... This is like a nested... Is this even possible? I don't know if this is possible. Case when count blah 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 is greater than count. This is awful. Then 1? Oh no, if 0 is greater than 1, then 0, else 1. End as call 1. Call 1 val. No, wait, this is the... Hold on. Epsilon. No, sorry, this is gamma. Okay. This could work. This could work. The problem is we need to do this 12 times. Oh my gosh. We need to do this each time. What if I don't group them? And what if I remove the limit here? We we have to replace all of these with 2 now. We won't know if this is correct until we literally do all of them. Well, okay. I wish there was a way to like numerate these automatically. I don't know if there's a way to numerate them automatically. Or how would I do this for a case where the strings are like 200 characters long? That's the question. This doesn't scale. That's what annoys me about my solution, is that it doesn't scale. That's the main issue for me. I don't know if anyone has any other ideas. I'm open to ideas. I'm open to ideas, just don't backspeed. Is there a sequel 4? I mean, you can loop, but use a while. In Postgres, you'd have to write a control structure. That's what it's called in Postgres. Most useful and important part of PGSQL. The problem is I have never learned them before, ever. So you can do a loop, and I think a loop would solve this, but seeing as I've never done them before, I think I will leave it for now because it works with these 12, but that would probably be the way to do it properly. Like, this is a lot of work. AoC is there to learn, yeah, but I'm very intimidated by them. I'm super intimidated by those. I don't know why. It scares me. I don't know why. It just scares me, and I don't really understand as well in a SQL context about how this is supposed to even work. Because it returns then each row or something? I don't know. It's also Friday, and I'd rather play words than write SQL. Probably. Probably like other people. When I finish this part, we'll probably do a bit of words. Probably. I mean, I had a tough week. It's my second last week at the company I'm freelancing for now. Next week is the last week, but my boss is off next week. So it's a bit of a quieter week, maybe, I guess. Most people are off next week, taking time off for Christmas and whatnot. And I'm working through the next week, so it'll be a chance for me to wrap up a lot of things, get some stuff done that I wanted to. You're off next week as well, Steffi. That's nice. Have you got any plans? Anything concrete? Concrete? So apparently, this is the answer. Steve is off next week, and you're off the week after next as well. I am off the week after next as well. Hey, Clarkio! Holy moly! Holy moly! That's quite the surprise.
Wow.
Clarkio, my friend, welcome in. How was your stream, and what were you working on today? X, thank you for the follow. X90. Affection is when you see someone's strengths. Love is when you accept someone's flaws. That's deep. Super deep. Ian, were you instrumental? Ian, were you instrumental in this? I've been seeing, Clark, I've been seeing your eyebrow all over the place for weeks. Log for shell. What? What do you mean, Jay Walter? Everyone should check out Clarkio because Clarkio is a very cool streamer who admittedly I don't get to watch very often because time zones. WOTW, more application security. That sounds very interesting. This looks interesting. So this is apparently the final thing now. Hey, Clarkio. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Log4Shell. Where have I been hiding this week? Not doing Log4Shell. Oh, I see. That was the answer to my question, Jay Walter. Okay. I see. Log4j, Log4Shell, log for SQL. So apparently this is the answer that we are looking for, sort of. So this is the gamma rate. And I need to populate now. What is the power consumption of the submarine? We'll be multiplying the gamma rate by the epsilon rate. So the epsilon rate, okay. So this is 111001011, which is binary, which I need to convert to decimal. Can I binary to decimal? Can I do this in SQL? I would have no idea how to do this. Really? Okay, I would like to... Okay, this is going to be called... Okay, so this is the common lookup as, and then ooh, no, don't do that. Here. Stop auto formatting. Come on. Clarkio, you probably are just ramping down from your stream. I'll give you some time to respond. Don't feel pressured. But I want to know how your stream went. More security. More security. Application security. It's probably like exploit stuff. Maybe. Select star from... What did we call this thing? Common lookup. Because we're going to have to do the other way too. We're going to have to do the least common, and I don't know how to do that. I think I need to reverse this condition. If 0 occurs more than 1, I need to take 1, basically. Which is nuts. So I want to concat these strings together. Call one gram. There's an easy way to do this. If I do call one gam, like that, then I have all of the strings with commas in them. And now all I need to do is replace all of these commas here. Edit. Where's replace? Find and replace. Here we go. I want to find and replace. This doesn't look... I want to find a comma, and I want to replace it with space, double pipe, space. Now that will create a string known as the binary concat. No, we can call this the gamma. Oops, I may have a syntax error here somewhere. Oh, no, it replaced them everywhere. No! That's bad. That's bad. Undo. 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 That is very bad. We don't want to do that. I don't want to replace them everywhere. I just want to replace them there. Edit. Find. Replace. comma. Yeah, we'll just do this here. We'll do this one by one for safety. How about that? That sounds better. And this is as gamma. I was gonna write grandma. What's happening here? No! They're integers? Oh no! Oh no! 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 Okay, I'm gonna do find replace. I'm gonna do find replace because I can't be bothered to do this. Okay. This is so bad. Okay. Edit. Find. No. Edit. Find replace. I want to search for then 0 and replace it with then 0. Replace, 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 replace. 2, 1. Done. Then I want to do the next one, which is replace else 1 with Elsa 1. 12 results. Okay. There we go. 17 hours later, we have the gamma. Now the problem is I don't know if this is correct until we do the other part. Okay, so this is going to be called gamma epsilon lookup. And you know what? We can just call it common lookup, whatever. So I need to do this entire thing again. This entire thing again. But instead of the most common value, I want the least common value from each position. So I'm going to make a little break here, just so I know where I'm starting from. And I have to replace these. Break. Okay. So I have to do edit. A loop would probably be better here, to be honest. I think. So I want to search for then 0. Oh, nice beat. Then 1. So basically this is the least condition. So if the count of 0 is greater than the count of 1, then I return 1. It's just the easiest way to do that. Boogie Bugs! That's a great username. Thanks for the follow. And you have gotten a very lovely quote from Stream Elements. To love or have loved, that is enough. Ask nothing further. There is no other pearl to be found in the dark folds of life. You could do a pop-up stream on Discord tomorrow to refactor it to for loops. I could, but I could also not. Astro Charles, happy time zone. Indeed. So we're gonna find now else 1, and we're gonna replace it with else 0. Okay, so that is break for opposite condition for epsilon calculation. I think epsilon rate. Okay, and now here I want to return these as call 1. I want to change the suffix. Let's go back to find replace again, our trusty friend of today. We're going to place underscore gam with underscore eps, and then, oh my gosh, chat, I really hope this is correct, because otherwise I'm going to be absolutely livid. I'm going to be so angry. that I did all this work and it's not correct. I'm gonna be so upset. I want to replace underscore gam with eps. Okay. Okay, so this is gamma and this is epsilon. Now we need to convert them from binary to decimal. Convert decimal. Oh, we know this track. Can I just try this first? Convert decimal. But it's binary to decimal. I don't understand. Hold on a second.
Yo, what's going on?
Octet length. Oh no. There's a position function. Oh no. Oh no. If I could have used position the whole time. Oh no. Ah, decode binary data from textual representation. Encode binary data into textual representation. Oh, here we go. I think I could have just used position this whole time, chat. Is this correct? Extract bit from string. Yeah, so I could have done something like this with the binary functions. That is... let's try this out. So the gamma rate is this. Cannot cast type integer to byte A. What? I don't understand this. How does this even work? Format text. Oh. What? Okay, this doesn't do what I thought it does. Convert binary to decimal. Should we just look it up online? Because I wouldn't know how to do this. Ah, wait a second. One. You don't even need a function? Ah, if you set it to bit 8. Ah, hold on a second. If you set it to bit 8. And then this to integer. 176. Is that correct? No, that's 22 in decimal. Is this... Hold on a second. Does anyone truly... Ah, because it's a length of 5. Okay. So based on the length, we have to convert it properly. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are both 12-bit strings. Okay. Okay. So that means we can take these numbers.
Wow.
Hey, Spectre, thanks very much for the follow. Yesterday's history, tomorrow's a mystery, today's a gift, which is why we call it the present. Amazing. Okay, so this should technically work then. If we put a big bracket around that. And then convert it to bit 5. And then put this as an integer. Right? Oh wait, sorry. The bracket needs to be here. Out of range. Oh right, 12. Out of range for an integer type. Yikes. That ain't good. Maybe we need to double wrap the columns, or we just have to nested select it. It's not. Ah! 4043. Okay. This could work. This could work. I'm terrified of this now. If this is all wrong, chat, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do if this is wrong? Honestly. Oh no. What kind of ad did you get? Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about that. I just had to run an ad, yeah. Jobs at the NSA. Nice. They're definitely listening. They're definitely listening. Gamma times epsilon as power consumption. The NSA definitely needs more fart sounds. Yeah. Epsilon. What the? Oh, I made a typo. Okay, chat. Here's the big reveal now. 210236. I swear, if this is wrong. Hey, should we do a prediction? Should we do a prediction? Who thinks this is going to be correct? Should we predict? Let's predict. Something else for a tune. Oh, come on, Twitch. Let me just pop it out. Okay, so before we check whether our answer is correct, before whether we check if the answer is correct or not, we're going to make a prediction. Is 2110236 the power consumption? Is 21236 correct? Yes. And no. Now I get to find out how many of you have faith in me. Submission period. You have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to guess. Oh. You have 2 minutes to guess whether this is going to be correct or not. Well, where is everybody? 0 votes? Where is everyone? There's like 15 people here. What are you all doing? What is everybody doing? Where's everybody gone? Hello? Hello? Trying to decide if we have faith. I voted with all the points I was allowed to use. So basically that's 0, right, J. Walter? What Steve said. Trying to decide if we have faith. Well, if everyone votes yes, then Ian is saving up. Don't want to risk it. Oh, I'm so nervous. I just spent an hour on the first part, and I'm so nervous. F for Sweden's gambling laws. Indeed. How strict. F in chat. Oh. If this isn't right, I'm abandoning the rest of stream, and we are going to play words on stream for the rest of the stream. Because I don't know how to solve this if this isn't correct. So all of you think that this is going to be... Good thing words on stream is skills based. If this isn't right, I'll find you and demand my points. I'm not gonna look, chat. I'm gonna click. No! 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 It's wrong. Shit. Too low. Too low. I'm so upset, chat. I don't think you realize. I am so upset with this. This is really one that has me stumped. So I want to do something. Maybe this conversion is wrong? Maybe? Maybe the conversion is wrong. Try 3309596. Is that like your pin? 4043, that's what I had before. So this is worse because 4043 times 52 is 210236. That's what we guessed before. I think 210236. Yeah, it's too low. Yeah, but I don't want to just put in the right number. I didn't get to the right number. That's the problem. That's the real problem. So my calculation here on the bottom is correct. That results to the right number, but the number itself is not correct. Why is it not correct? That is very, very, very bad, chat. Because now I need to go through every single one of these. What did I call this? Common lookup. I think everyone has the same inputs, J. Walter. Which makes me even more frustrated. What did you do it in, J. Walter? Darklang? 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh no! Wait a second. Wait a second. This is wrong. Ah, I knew I needed to have nulls. I knew I needed to account for nulls. This is the problem when you don't validate. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. These have to be null. Those 4 should be null. They should be literally null, not 0 or 1. They should be null. So we need to go back and format. Kotlin. Ah, okay. My trailing zeros are the problem. They're not being trimmed. I don't want to count these. I have to null them. I have to do here. Case when split part blah 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 is empty string. I know there's a way to do it that's better. Coalesce empty string to null. Hey Ian, thank you for the 100 bits. That's very kind. We can all go drop together and see if we do well. Null if. Ah. Let's try this one. Coalesce. So null if this empty string So I should see for this one. Huh. It has to be null. Oh, you know what? I need to build in a third condition. Here is the problem. I need a third condition. It can't be an else. It can't be an else, it needs to be explicit. That's the problem. That's the problem. It needs to be explicit. Oh my gosh, I have to rewrite all of these. I have to rewrite every single one. Oh my I have to remove... Hold on a second. I have to remove the else and paste this. When 0 is smaller than 1, then 1. That's what I have to copy now for all of the rows. Every single one of the rows. I need to convert all of these. Oh no. This is madness. For loop would have been better. Sorry to all of you that lost your channel points before. I hope you didn't bid too many channel points. For that giant blunder, I shall give you all one free round of words on stream until we lose, so that no one has to pay 3,000? How many is it? 5,000? I don't remember. That many channel points for that round. This next round is on me. You put in 2k. Ouch, Steffi. That's a lot of faith. Blind faith. Steve put in 1k. So that means Jay Walter put in a lot more than both of you together. No, I don't need an else because it's only those two conditions that I want to check. It's only 0 or 1, else it will be null. Null is what I want. That's the nice thing. So I should get 7, 7, 7, 7. This is... yeah. Null is... yeah, else null is default in SQL in a case when condition. Hey, Flyboy! Welcome in, my friend. Welcome in. Just doing the usual. The usual Friday night antics. Writing 20,000 case when statements. Okay, let me just check here, column 9. Yeah, see, that's null now. Mitch is done with me, so now you're stuck with me. That'll teach me not to trust your additional knowledge. This isn't additional knowledge. This is hardcore SQL knowledge, which I had already for years. What did you do to Mitch, Fly? What did you do? Was it that bad? I haven't unfortunately been able to watch Mitch's streams for a while now. Time zones are awful. I'm still doing Advent of Code. I mean, again, I only did it once on Monday. Oh, I only helped him like I usually do. Oh no. I can only imagine. I can only imagine, Fly. What that means. I can only imagine. Make jokes about his hair, helped him Python code. Okay, so here you see now, this is the fix, chat. You see here like this. These are nulls, so they won't be counted. later, they won't be counted because they don't count. It's very simple. If null, then 0. Yeah, basically. But I don't need to do that in this case because I'm doing a case when count. Now I need to write the opposite condition. So if... Oh, wow. What a track. What a track. Oh, you know what? Actually, chat, I have a better idea. We will copy the top again. We'll copy the top and we're gonna swap the numbers. It's easier. Much easier. All right, so there's the break. I know, Fly. I know. And there's probably an easier way to do it, but this was the hack way, so I chose. This is the path I have forged today. Honestly, yes, I can create the function. I could, but I'm afraid of functions. I don't know how they work in SQL, so I'm afraid. I don't want to do it. Basically, I'm afraid. I don't want to do it. So we'll replace then 0 with then 1. Backseating, marginal, and nothing about this exercise because I'm so done with this. I'm so done with this exercise. I want nothing more than to sit back, relax, and do myself... Oh, yeah, hold on a second. This one, replace, 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 replace. Is there a keyword for this? Command G. Oh, nice. What's replace? Command G, replace, G, replace, G, replace, G, replace. Okay. And now, oh right, the gam. We need to replace the gams with... Uh-oh, I went too high. I went too high. Here, we need to replace the gam with... What did I call them? EPS. Gam with EPS. I'm terrified. I'm terrified, chat. Honestly, I don't want to do this anymore. Okay. Alright, let's do it. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of... Oh no, hold on. That wasn't good. I need that there. Probably. I don't know. Maybe not. Common lookup. At the end of the common lookup. Hey, 200 lines. 200 lines, chat, for this. Excuse me? Aggregate functions are not allowed in group by. Yes, sir. What? We don't need that? Is this database in SQL Fiddle or something? This is in my local Postgres container in Docker. Actually, Fly. So I know Mitch is a Docker fan. I have Postgres running in Docker because I don't want to run it on my local machine. Null is not the right answer. That is correct. I have a problem. I have a problem, chat. I have a big problem. I know what my problem is, and I have a big problem, and I don't know how to solve it now. Basically, these ones here are correct. You see 1110000. This is 11110000, and then in this case, it counts 00001111 because those are the least common. Oh my god, this is so... I need a different approach. I need a different approach. This can't work. There is count if, but I wonder. I don't know if that solves the problem. Am I blind, or are your binary num values of different length? They are. They are of different length. That's what they gave me as the data set. Are you saying the data set is wrong? Oh! I thought I was gonna be sick. Oh no. Oh no. How did I not spot this?
Data, information. Ones and zeros never lie.
2 hours! 2 hours of my life on the wrong data set, chat. Oh god, why? Why do we do this to ourselves? Why do we do this?
Wow, that really blew my mind. Like, I have goosebumps.
Oh no. It's because it converted it to something. But here it seems fine. Wait, where is that clip from? Superstore. It's hilarious, that show. Binary num. Did I just write binary bum? Okay, 1,000 rows are in there. Let's check. Oh, they're being stripped on import. Yeah. It's being stripped on import. That's the problem. Yeah. Text is the answer. Text is the answer indeed, Fly. Not numeric. Binary num. I have also been there, and yet I didn't learn. All right. Okay, so here's a fun one. So what do we not need to do anymore? Split to array is fine, I think. Let's go all the way back up the chain. We have to go all the way back up the chain. Okay, it splits them all to a frame. There's 12 values. Then separate columns. Split each value into a separate column. Split part, CSV split, blah blah blah. None of them can be null anymore. Do a lookup. Lookup should be the same result. Logically. Blah blah blah. So yeah, I think we just count frequency of each column, and that should technically work. In theory, I think there's a I think I'm doing something weird. Common lookup. Get this out of here. Hi, Flickr. Who's this guy? I don't know. Who is this guy? You tell me. I swear, chat. I swear. I don't think this is the right answer, but I'm gonna try anyway. Oh, snap! What I did was correct. What I did was right. The data input was wrong. Holy moly, chat. 2 hours and just 5 minutes of Flyboy time. Thank you. Thank you very much. Welcome in, Hi Flickr. Hi Flickr is a fellow streamer, just like us. Definitely worth checking out. Was working on his bot earlier. It was quite interesting to watch. I need to take a break, chat. I am upset, to say the least. So I would like to continue with part 2. Oh god. This looks horrible. And so, as I promised, I did get people to spend points, and I'm very sorry about that. Therefore, you do get a free round of words on the house. Round of words on the house, indeed. Let's go to the gaming scene. Hello, Alan. Welcome in, my friend. How are you? Alan is also a streamer. Did you know? Did you know that Jay Walter is also a streamer? Oh, that was a short one. Whoops. Sorry about that, Jay Walter. Jay Walter is also a streamer of The Claw. Last day of work for 2021, so doing pretty great. Congratulations! That is amazing. And wow, look at your 6-month sub badge, Alan. That is one of the most beautiful bar charts I have ever seen. A short one, just like Jay Walter's streams. Yeah, something like that. All right. It is designed to allow art streamers the ability to hold live auction. Ooh, yeah, that's very cool. It's a very cool idea. Okay, chat, I'm gonna put it into auto mode so that I don't need to do it. And I hope you all have fun, and I will be back in a minute or two, and then I will play with you. All right? Bye-bye. So chat, how's it going? How is it going? Steak someone got, I guess? Yeah, this is the first one I saw. Pro tip, look at the longest word that's on the board to get ideas about what to write versus looking at the scrambled letters. So there's a couple of A words probably in there. At least one A word. Ates. There's one E, couple other ones left. Okay, we did all right. Skip 3 levels. All right. Not bad. Now that I'm here, I will be able to interact. I didn't realize I'd be back so quickly. So, let's go. If you have lag, just hard reload. No, this is a reward, Ryan. It's a reward for everyone's help. Rude, yeah, rude indeed. Lushed. Lush is a good one. There's no S though. Hurled. That's what I did before when I got upset. Yeah, it didn't go so well. Didn't go so well with the SQL stuff. I mean, it went, but like, you know, you need to do better, chat. Ruled. Nicely done. We hit the level where we're going to continue, obviously. I can't think while streaming. This is the problem. Sorry, I instinctively move away from the mic, but I mute myself, so you know. Mic technique for the win. Thanks, Alan. I try not to cough into everyone's ears. I think it's very, you know, common courtesy. That's what the stream deck is for, right? To do it. One left, chat. Pretty good. DU something? GURL? I don't know. A cough button. It's just a mute. It's just a mute button. But yeah, I know what you mean. All right, so Sociable Steve and Jay Walter and Steffi doing really well. Let's see how we continue to do. I will grab... There's a fake letter, chat. I don't know what it is. School! Nice. The I is fake. The I is fake in that case. So ignore the I. And now let's do... this is lots of L words. I don't know. Locos. Nice. If you see the two arrows, if you see the two arrows on someone's word, it's not a guess. It's for someone else to input because that person is locked. Cholo. Co-hosts? Nice. Okay. Wow. Okay, go chat. Nice. What else we got? Kosh. What's that one? All the 5 letters are gone. Just 4-letter words. One left, chat. One left. Can we get it? It's a C or an L word, probably. Could be an H. Halls. Well done. Well done, chat. I'm proud of you all. I'm very proud of you. So if anyone wants to use this opportunity to refresh the stream, make sure that that you're up to date with the latency, you know, all that jazz. Then I'll give you a second to do that. Reload your delicious computers, and I think now we will go. Big risk there. There is a fake letter, so be careful. Ooh, this is tricky. Oh, it's, yeah, it's the one that you wanted, Steve. Perfumed, with the D on the end, I think is the one. Perfumer. Ah. Nice. So I'm guessing that D is fake then. That's what she said. Alright, D is fake, people, so ignore the D. Okay, the D is fake, so... Refer, 5-letter one. Someone wants to get those. Pure is another 5-letter one. Someone wants to get those. Femur. Nice. Puree. Fancy. A couple of 5 letters in there still. Probably something with the M. Humor? No. Something with M in the beginning, probably. Meffer. Ah, nice. Mirror. There's a couple 4 letters left. Okay, we did pretty well that round. Did pretty well. A lot of points. Good points on the board. Frump. Skip 2 levels. Well, chat, I'm proud of you. We're doing pretty well. Considering how many people are here, though, we could be doing better. to be honest. I think we could have more participation. But maybe 2 people are here for the sequel. There's still a fake letter. Buckle. That means the F is the fake one. Nice one, UK. F is fake. Oh yeah, and now I use the F because it's fake. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go! Almost level completed. Almost. Been to the tap room, couldn't resist. Yeah. There's another... It's a K, probably. Lube! Even better. That was a very good round, chat. That button is the cough and sneeze button, Alan. In case you're still wondering. Alright, so that was pretty good. Now we got more players. Let's go. We can get even better scores. Finished on lube. Should have started on lube. Hidden letter and a fake letter. So, we don't know what the hidden letter is yet. E is a bad. E looks bad. Nice one, UK. Good one. Porns. Porns. Wonderful. I'm guessing the E or the P is a real problem because we're not getting... Oh no, the P is fine. The E might be an issue. I'm guessing the P is a problem. No, the E, sorry. E is definitely an issue. I think E is the fake letter. I don't know what the hidden one is, though. Person. I don't... Prison! Okay. The E is definitely fake, but what's the hidden letter? P-R. I is the hidden. I is the hidden, and E is fake. I is hidden. You can use I. So we can get all the I words now. Without E, of course. Okay, so we got porns. I think we might have failed this one, chat. Yeah. F in chat. We didn't do very well that time. I'm sorry. And we did okay. We did okay. But level 15. We can certainly do better. I think Ryan is to blame, yeah. Let's everyone blame Ryan. Boo! Thanks for the good vibes, Ian. You're third and joined late. That's true. Well, you know what? I think all of you deserve some fire shoes. How about that? I think you all did a great job. Level 15 is pretty good. But yeah, how much AoC happened? Part 1 of day 3. Yes, 2 works, 2 hours worth of work thrown in the bin. Indeed. That was pretty bad. And all of you who are at work, I admire you watching me while you're at work. I have a lot of difficulty watching Twitch while working. I don't do so much work then. Okay, chat. This looks interesting. So we have to yeah, so basically what happened, UK, was I imported the dataset as day 3, and it trimmed leading zeros. So I had strings of different lengths. And that, of course, that messed everything up. Bad. That messed everything up real bad. So that was... yeah, that was horrible. That was horrible. And all I needed... I'm doing this entirely in SQL, that is correct. Pure SQL. I'm not even using any functions in SQL until now. Only SQL. Vanilla SQL. I am indeed a bit mad. Especially this next part, I think this is going to actually kill me. I have to verify the life support rating, which can be determined by multiplying the oxygen generator rating by the CO2 scrubber rating. Keep only numbers selected by the bit criteria for the type of rating value for which you are searching. Discard numbers which do not match. If you have only one number left, stop. This is the rating value for which you are searching. Otherwise, repeat the process considering the next bit to the right. Oh no. To find the oxygen generator rating, determine the most common value, 0 or 1, in the current bit position and keep only numbers with that bit in that position. If 0 and 1 are equally common, keep values with a 1 in the position being considered. To find the CO2 scrubber rating, determine the least common value and keep only numbers with that bit in position. If 0 and 1 are equally common, keep values with a 0. Start with all 12 numbers and consider only the first bit of each number. There are more 1 bits than 0. Keep only the 7. Oh, this is horizontal now. This is not by column. Okay, hold on a second. So this is the test data set they gave us. I'm gonna say select, let's call this something, with test as, how can I insert values again? I forget. Should I just import this or something? What should I do? Okay, I'm thinking, hold on. I don't know what I want to do. Put red lights. Because it's like festive. My head hurts. Does that make sense? So if we have these numbers... Thank you, Steffi. Start with all 12 numbers. Consider only the first bit of each number. So 0... Let's get rid of these. So it'd be 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's 7 ones and 5 zeros. So you only keep the 7 numbers with a 1 in the first position. Then consider the second bit of the 7 remaining numbers. There are more 0 bits than 1 bits, so keep only the 4 numbers with a 0 in the second position. Oh my god. We need to look at there is something that we read before that could help us, because there is something called position. Returns an integer that represents the location of the substring within the string. No, that's not what I want. No, that's not what I want. I don't want position. Bit length. Location of specified substring. Substring trim upper B trim. I wonder if I could use a left function. Oh, I don't know what it's. Postgres extract character in position. Substring. Extract a string containing a specific number of characters. No, no, no. That's not what I want. There must be an easier way to do this, because I don't want to write this as a case when. This as a case when is going to be a nightmare. There's no way I could do this. That is a crazy nested case when logic, and I don't want to do that. So hold on. Substring string from starting position. Oh, wait. Here we go. So if I do select substring this from 1, okay, why does that return? Or 1. Haha. Okay, chat. Okay. This is good. This is good. We can do something with this. I'm gonna reuse some stuff from up here. Because that's the data frame. Or should we split them? I can't remember. Twitch wants me to run an ad. I'm running an ad for 30 seconds. I hope that nobody is super offended. It shouldn't be so disruptive because I'm still figuring out what I'm gonna do. So I'm sorry about that. I will just run an ad for 30 seconds. Let me know what ad you got if you get an ad. It might be interesting. I don't know. So instead of splitting them, we can just do something far more efficient. Yeah. No ad for you, Irish. Okay. P3. Hi Flickr, no ad for you. Okay, cool. I think probably because you just came in recently or something, you already got a pre-roll. It's possible. Okay, so we know there's 12 positions. So I can go through all 12 positions like this. Like this. My pre-roll was 1 second long. Wow, it must have been a great pre-roll. What was it for? Also, but like, because I'm based in Switzerland, the ad targeting stuff is probably really weird for some people. Or maybe it's based on your, it should be based on your region actually. So it's probably not so bad. I don't know. I don't know how Twitch does stuff. No one knows how Twitch does stuff, right? 12. Something telling me to drink more. Surprise, surprise, in the holiday season, what they do ads for. All right, so, okay. We are getting somewhere. I get German ads I mostly don't understand, so joke's on them. I get tons of French ads, and I understand the French, but not as well. So yeah, joke's on them. So this is much more efficient. What I still don't understand is I have to start with all the numbers, consider only the first bit of each number. Does anyone really understand the French? I don't know. You could say that about any nationality, probably. So if I do select, count, if, P1, I want to do we do the same as before? Does anyone really understand the US? That's exactly the point. So if we have this kind of case when condition, I think this can work, but it's really convoluted. It's really a bit Samsung's holiday ad with the Backstreet Boys. Oof. Okay. Data frame. All right, this is now P1, so we'd have to change these up. Okay. P does not exist. Yeah, great. Then 0. But the thing is, in this case, we don't want to actually... Snow. No. We don't want to actually get rid of all the values. We want to consider only the ones that match this condition. I don't really know how to proceed on this one. So, assuming I have numbers, I have like so only keep the 7 numbers with a 1 in the first position. So basically this would be like a filter condition. Oh, I'm sorry, Steffi. That song got stuck in your head. All of those songs are super catchy, right? Are you trying to find the entry with the longest string of leading ones? No, That's the problem. It's not row based. It's position based. Basically, if you have 12 numbers, you have to look through all 12 numbers with only considering the first position and looking at, are there more ones than zeros? If there are more ones, only keep the numbers that start with 1. So basically you need to develop like a matching pattern. Essentially. You need to develop like a matching pattern. Yeah, oh lord, indeed. So you need to develop a matching pattern. So say for example, if I do a count as before, if there are more zeros than ones, then 0. If there are less zeros than ones, then 1. Basically, it's the same condition as before. It's the same work as before. The only difference being the names. It's the same thing as before. I don't have a different way of doing this. I'm gonna call this, what is this? Oxygen generator. This can be called oxygen pattern. Oh no, this is, no, sorry, this is matching pattern. Yeah. So we do like this. And then I'm going to replace all of the call references with P. Or should I just rename them here? It's probably easier to just rename them here. Let's just rename them here. Whatever. Okay, so now I have a... This is my matching pattern, right? I need to concat this. Steal my concat from up here. This is a this is the oxygen pattern. So this is the oxygen pattern. Basically, all the numbers that would have 0 in the first position, 0 in the second position, 1 in the third position, 1 in the fourth position, basically sequentially. So you need to sequentially go through each numbers. And in the end, there will only be one number left that matches that condition. So wait, there's only one string in this whole thing? Ah, wait a second. Is there a shortcut? I already found it. Yes, fly. I circumvented that, actually. I circumvented that. But this is already this is the pattern, which by its definition is the oxygen generator rating. So we have to do the same thing as before. 0, 1, 1, or 23 in decimal. So we have to convert the same thing as before. It's the same exercise. It's exactly the same exercise as before. I don't understand the difference. Oxygen rating. CO2 scrubber. Start again with all 12 numbers. Consider only the first bit of each number. fewer bits than 1 bit, so keep only the 5 numbers with a 0. Consider the second bit, third position, and so on. As there's only one number left, stop. The CO2 scrubber rating is this. Yeah, so... Why am I doing this again? I don't know. It's the same exercise, they're just renaming it. Or in my case, I'm renaming it. Break for lower condition. Where's the thing? Here. As epsilon. So this is oxygen rating, and this is the CO2 scrubber rating. And if you multiply the oxygen by the CO2 scrubber rating, you get 230. So could do everything in one thing. Right? I'm very dubious about this one. I have a weird feeling. I can't describe what that feeling is. It's a weird feeling. So we'll do oxygen rating times scrubber rating, life support. Oxygen scrubber. See, I'm very dubious because 297.2336 is exactly the same answer as before. Too low. I know the data is correct though. That's not the issue. I think it's because it's not sequential. Keep only numbers selected by the bit criteria for the type of rating value for which you are searching. Discard numbers which do not match the bit criteria. If you have one number left, stop. This is the rating value. Otherwise, repeat the process, considering the next bit. Oh crap. It's a completely different exercise. It's completely different because what we need to do is not look at the counts. These are positions. These are positions. So if we look at these, select star from pattern matching. or matching pattern. So these are the right positions. These aren't incorrect. But what we have to do is iterate through the data list again, checking the first number first. So basically, find oxygen would be something like case when, so we need each number. Sorry, that's from the data frame. So you do data frame, and then you'd have to join. You can't even join these. You have to do a cross join. This is so... This is a very hard exercise in SQL. I need to look up cross joins. I'm not too familiar with them. Cross join. Oh, right, there's a comma in there. Huh. Ooh, wait a second. We could join by splicing. SQL slice substring. We could do the same thing as here as part of a join and only inner join sequentially. If we keep joining the inner joins on each other, that could actually work. That's crazy though. That's a really crazy thing. Okay, so binary num, where binary num equals this one. Okay. So we have one binary number. And what was our matching pattern? I forget. I forget the matching pattern already. These should be renamed probably, but this isn't our biggest issue right now. Let's just output this. Okay, this is the oxygen pattern. Oxygen pattern equals this. Oh, we don't need, yeah. So this is the oxygen pattern. All right, so if I just find this number, it's incorrect because it has to go from left to right. It has to find the closest match. So what I do is I do select binary number from data frame, inner join, as df, inner join What do we call this? Matching pattern, right? So matching pattern as matching pattern. So mp dot binary num yeah, so the binary number needs to be in here. Otherwise we can't join them. And that means we have to join, we have to group by at the end. Group by 1. Okay. So now we have binary nums. This will be df. No, sorry. It's going to be substring df binary num 4 from 1 for 1. This will be the join key. So it's basically binary number equals substring df blah blah blah. The idea here is to match the first keys. Oh, wait a second. I made a mistake. The mistake is I need to do this here. This is matching pattern. Yeah, so I need to do it here. Sorry. I need to do... I made a boo-boo again. This is the oxygen pattern. And this is as the scrubber pattern. Everyone disappear or what? What's happening? It's gone very quiet. So this is the oxygen hashtag working. Okay. Oxygen slash scrubber as from matching pattern. So this has to come before. Oxygen scrubber. So then it's find oxygen. And this is a from oxygen scrubber. This is no longer this. OS. OS dot. What do we call it? Oxygen scrubber. No. Oxygen pattern. Why is it still resolving to so many? 1000. I thought this was the solution, and now I'm not so sure anymore. See here, I want it to match the first string. See? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But it's returning all of the results. See, there's 1000 results in this table for some reason. Oh, there's 500,000 results now. What? This doesn't make any sense. Join oxygen scrubber as OS on substring where df.binarynum like, oops, starts with, well, we can't do it that way. We can do equals. Yeah, obviously it's just joining all of them. So that won't work. This has to be df.binarynum. I don't get this. Doesn't make any sense to me. There's tons of pattern matches here that don't match. 500,000 entries. Oh, cool. I fixed the hue thing. Now we can have a proper disco. Oh, hold on a second. Ah. That's not good. Oh, that's not good. Why are there so many results? Ah, because I included the binary num in the matching pattern, which I didn't want to do anymore. Oh, I don't think I've ever spent so long on one coding exercise in my life. Yeah, now there's only one pattern. Now it's fine. Okay. I was wondering why this isn't working. Inner join. So this will give me all the results where the first character matches. 519. So this is a recursive process. So this is called, maybe we should nest it. I don't know. Should we nest it? I don't know. I don't know how many steps we'll have to do until there's only one. This is a classic loop problem. I don't know about you, chat, but I'm kind of into this exercise because maybe I'm just masochistic. I just love going through so much pain. I don't know. There's no good reason why I should enjoy this. But this is what's happening. Let's continue with this. Let's go like this and say select star from and we'll do like that, and we'll say this is T1. Kongen 1201. That's not very nice of you. So I'm sorry, but you have become probably, I think, the first time that I have banned someone instantly for coming into chat like that. I hope you don't speak to your mother that way, because that was pretty rude, and I will not tolerate that kind of behavior in my chat. You can go do that somewhere else on Twitch. Plenty of other streamers where you can do that, my friend. Distinct. So we do select. I don't want to do so many distincts. It's probably going to be an issue. df dot binary num as T1. We already have a data frame, so we do T1 binary 1, and then we do inner join. We can copy this again. Right. We can just keep doing this. Oxygen scrubber as on substring OS oxygen pattern T1. This time we have to check position 2. So we do from 2 or 1. What is the result of this? Don't auto format that. 265. Okay, we're getting closer. We are getting closer, chat. So we do another level. Select star from bracket open, bracket closed. This is going to be as T2. So we're going to do some interesting formatting choices. This select also has to go in. On 3 T2 from 3. This is where a function would probably be the best. Whoever recommended that before. T2 dot binary num 151. Yep, there's still some left. So select star from bracket open. I don't think I've ever written such ugly nested before, to be honest. But I'm also kind of proud of it, if that makes sense. T3 dot binary num. We need another inner join. Oxygen scrubber from pattern 4. T3 from 4. 84 rows. Okay. Next. Select T4 dot binary num from, I can already do it this way because I already know I'm going to call it that way. As T4 on 5 and 4 and 5. I apologize to everyone for this code because I am not proud of it.
Put my faith in data, information. Ones and zeros never lie.
42 rows. What happens if there's no result? What happens if there's no result? I'm a little bit afraid of that now. Oh no. Oh no. What if there's no result? I hadn't thought of that yet. I guess we'll get to that. We'll cross that bridge if we get to it. T5 dot binary num from although in terms of nested code, this is actually pretty legible because it's so well formatted and it's the same thing repeating itself over and over again, if that makes sense. So could be worse. So we're halfway through the string at this point. Position 6. 22 rows. You know what I just realized? Isn't checking left to right the same as actually finding the pattern in the first place? I know I'm doing this wrong. Probably. I don't know. I can't tell if I'm doing this correct or not until the end. There's something that irks me about this, but I can't put my finger on it. Like, there's just something that's bugging me about this approach. Is it not just going to result in the same number? That's what's kind of worrying me. I don't know. Okay, so 7. "12 rows. We're getting closer. We're definitely getting closer. Someone would be proud of this formatting. I don't know who it is, but someone might be. If you're proud of this formatting, let me know in chat. I'm being very deliberate with it. Oh no. Oh, 7. And this is actually 8 now. Seven rows. Come on. Plaza TV, welcome. What extensions do I use for data grip? So the plugins I have active are mostly for lulz, to be honest. So I've got power mode, atom material icons, though I have to probably remove it because I think it's a paid only. I'm not sure. Or it's just update. Oh no, this is fine. That's just, yeah. I have a Avro and Parquet viewer because I was working with Parquet files before. Code Together, which is a peer coding extension. There's a CSV extension, some theme stuff, Indent Rainbow, which you can see here, which just kind of gives you a visual line. Lotus theme, markdown stuff, the Nyan progress bar on the bottom right, which you don't see at the moment. Rainbow brackets, which highlight brackets. You can see here they have different colors. And tab 9 and terminal. Tab 9 is auto completion. Where are you from, Plaza? Nice to see you. Welcome in. I hope you're enjoying the stream. T7. There's 7 rows left. Let's hope we only need to do one more of these. I'm from Canada and currently in IT web programming and just finished my first semester. Congratulations! That's cool. I'm Canadian myself, but I live in Switzerland. I've been here for a long time, over 20 years actually. And I quite like it here. What part of Canada are you from, if I may ask? I'm from Toronto originally. T8. Oh, there's only 2. There's only 2 left. Select T9 dot binary num from. I want to see now if this is actually the same string or if it's a near string. That's what I'm really curious about. Because if it's only a near string, then we did this correctly. And if it's the same string, we didn't need to do any of this. Which would make me extremely upset, seeing as I already wasted the first 2 hours of this stream with incorrectly importing something. I'll never get this time back, chat. Ever. There's still 2 rows. Oh no. Yeah, because look, they're exactly the same except for the last digit. See, this is what I mean. The oxygen pattern is this, which means it can only be this number. So I did it wrong. Basically. Could have played words in those 2 hours. No, we could have gotten a lot further with the advent of code. I wouldn't be stuck on day 3 when it's actually day 18 now, or 17, however you want to look at your time zones. This doesn't make any sense. What is this? T9? Binary num, whatever. Where binary num equals this. So it's this one. Yeah, then what? Then you have the same problem. You have the same problem with this other one. It's the scrubber pattern. I don't get this. I must have read something wrong. No, we could have played words. Yes, Steffi, we could have played words. Both the oxygen generating and CO2 scrubber rating are values that can be found in the report. Both values are located using a similar process that involves filtering out values until only one remain. Before searching for either rating value, start with the full list of binary numbers. Consider just the first bit. Okay. Keep only numbers selected by the bit criteria. To find the oxygen, determine the most common value in the current bit position. Keep only the numbers with that bit. If 0 and 1 are equally common, keep values with a 1. Oh, wait a second. This is the problem. Consider the second bit of the 7 remaining numbers. The pattern is incorrect. Oh my gosh. This is wrong. Oh. Chat, I have never given up a SQL challenge, but I have no idea how to do this. I have no idea how I'm supposed to do this now, because this is not correct. I need to start with all of the numbers, check the first position. If the first position is a 1, only then go to the second column of those remaining numbers. So basically it is a nested matching pattern. You basically have to take this condition. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Ian. Thank you. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Ian. Thank you very much, Ian. Thank you so much, Ian. Thank you, Ian. Thank you for the good vibes. Thank you very much, Ian. Thank you. I thought you were saving up your points. Ian. Thank you very much for the good vibes. I would have to take this condition. I would have to take this condition and use it as a constraint to get a list to filter values by, and then run them through the matching pattern. Oh my god, I don't know. You know what? I have an idea, chat. You know what we do? We take all of this. We make TBD. We save it. We open our terminal. We type git status. Git add. Dot. Now it should be added. Git push. Done. Good vibes were needed. Paperball probably more so. Maybe. Ah, wrong project. Advent of code. Wait, what? Oh, I haven't committed it. Git commit. Day 3. Only first part done. Git push. Now it's up there. Day 3. That's it. I'm done. Words. I'm done with this. I'm so done. I can't. My brain is fuzz. I cannot process this. Does anyone want to play words? Someone said words before. Otherwise we can just go raid someone. Mic drop. I have one words player. I need at least 5 words players. If I don't have 5 words players, there's no point in playing because we won't get anywhere significant. It's just the reality of words. Twitch is telling me there's 39 users in chat, of which 14 are viewers. Hey Ophelia, did you just magically appear when we said words? Someone said words. I should change my streaming category though. If we're gonna finish off in words, then we will actually go and change our category to words. If I get 5 people who want to play words. Right now I've got 2 people who want to play words. I'll play, but I'm not good at it. That's okay, Astro. It's no problem. You can get better at it, right? I'm currently twerking at a sapling. Sounds like a good alternative. What? Steve, I don't even understand what that even means. I don't even understand what that means. We've officially changed categories to words on stream. Alright. Here we go, chat. Pelican. No? Oh, there's no N. A pill? Place. What? I don't even know that word. I don't even know that word. I have no idea what word that is. Okay. Seal. Or clap. Yeah, clap's there. Okay. I thought Alice would be in there, but there's no 5-letter words left. Only 4-letter ones left. Okay, we skipped 3 levels. Seems legit. Why not? I mean, seems alright. Everyone has a chance to resync their browser in case there's some stuff going on, right? Okay, let's go. Reprove. Sorry, Steve. Error. There's only one R though. There's an R missing for that one, Steve. You're not sorry, and you shouldn't be. Hmm. Rover, nice one, Ophelia. Solid. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. Rove. So there must be some V ones. I thought there would be some more V ones in there because they're alphabetical. Veep? Yeah, I don't know. Again, skip 3 levels. Okay, chat. It's going pretty well. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to run an ad in one of the rounds next. But I'll do it in between rounds so that we don't stop our play. There is a fake letter. Watch out. It's probably the Z. Oh yeah. Thingy. So Z is fake. Nice, Steffi. Same brain. Tiny. Astro. Nice one. That's a good one. Jins. Very good. Knits. Is it Itsy is one? ITSY? Interesting. Okay. No knits either. G. Gets. Gets. Gon' gets. We're gon' gets good. Isn't? Must be an I in there. I don't know. S-I-T-S. Sits. No. Sitten. Stin. Snit. Gnit. Ah, snit! Almost got all of them. Okay. I don't know what snit is. I just guessed it. I'm gonna run the ad now. If you want to refresh now, so you can resync and get good lags, then let me know. Let me know. I'm in the meantime going to a fit of irritation, a sulk. The training with other word games in between hasn't quite paid off yet. Interesting. I'm looking for a potential raid candidate. I'm curious to see if anyone's around. Did everyone is everyone back from the ad? Let me know, because it's like 30 seconds, so I think it should be alright. It's Oik is around. Really? Why am I not following? What? Someone doing AoC in Rust? Ah, why am I not following Oik? That's odd. Double ad. Okay. Alright, let's continue. Let's continue. Yeah, that's weird. Why am I not following Oik? I could have sworn I was following Oik. Okay. There's a fake letter. It's not the S, the N, or the O, or the R, or the E. So that leaves another S and the T. Snores. Nicely done, Ophelia. Got him before Steve, which means the T is fake. So the T is a fake one. Whew. This is going to be interesting. Sensor. Very good. There's still one more 6-letter word to be had, chat. Still another 6-letter word to be had. Senors. Senors. There's a ton of urns? Urns? Oh my gosh, what? I can't type. There's a ton of 4-letter words, chat. Oh, eons. That's a good one. Thanks, Steve. What else we got in here? Nose. And then... nurse. Oh, I'm still blocked. Nurse. Any... nest? No, the T is fake. Neos? Nose? There we go. Okay, a couple more points in there at the last second. Steffi, nice thinking. We had similar thoughts, it seems. Okay. We shall continue, chat. Let's go. Fidden. Fake and hidden letter, chat. Fake and hidden letter. Price, okay. So those are safe letters. I can try and guess if there's a combo of that word. Rice is also in there. Pricey. Lice. Slice. Ooh, V could be fake. Yeah, Vice didn't come up, so V is probably fake. But I don't know, like, what's happening with the rest of them? What's the hidden letter? What's the hidden letter? Could be an E. Epic. Nice. EPIC. Peer. Okay. Ooh, this might be a short round, chat. No. That's too colloquial. Ripe. Creep. Yeah, tried creep as well. Ah, chat. We're gonna lose this one otherwise. N. N is the hidden letter. Nice. Someone get near. Neir. Near. I'm not sure if you can get those. Prince. Oh, that was the big one, wasn't it? Oh, chat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Really close. We were very close that time. We were quite close. No restart. This is the end. I'm tired. I have had a crazy work week. Oh, Apple Music. You always make things interesting. Thank you to everyone who joined today for the good times. Thanks to John Bon Salmon for the subscription. That's very nice. Thank you to Spectre, Misfit, Boogiebugs, Clarkio, X90, Heiku, John Bon Salmon, and Slay Skater for your follows. It's very appreciated. Thank you to Ian, Alex, Hart, Nimibi, and Coil for the cheers. We are going to go raid Itzoik, because honestly he's been streaming for 9 hours and he probably needs the support. So please show Itzoik all of the energy and respect and fun that you have shown me. And I hope to see all of you on Monday. I tuned in quite late, but did enjoy the bit I've seen. It was a little weird, but also kind of fascinating. SQL is weird, but fascinating. I think that's a good summary. See you all on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.